The reading clinic is specifically geared towards students who are struggling in reading. We have students here from kindergarten to 5th grade, all with a variety of challenges, and we're here to work with them one-on-one to see if we can improve those challenges that they're seeing.
This has benefited me as a student because we're not alone at the school sites. We're with our college professors. So if we really struggle or need to pass ideas on to our professors, we're easily able to. It's really helpful to have our college professors there so we can run by our lesson plans ideas and see if it's really effective teaching for our particular students.
This is an experiment that USF is running right now. It's the first time we've had undergraduate reading practicums. That means that they will have had all the courses necessary to come away from the undergraduate program with a reading endorsement, and that's a really big thing for us. It's compliant with state regulations that they're going to be able to teach in preschool and the early grades when they get out. So this is their practicum. They're learning to be teachers of early literacy.
This is benefiting me in so many ways. One of the ways being that I get to see what it's like to work with a student who struggles with all sorts of things in reading. It's nice to actually be in the field doing it. You can always come up with these theoretical ideas that you could use in the classroom, but now we're actually able to come up with ideas and really put them to use.